Come out of the car and walk with me to the gym.
Why, bro? Please, I could tell you were nice.
You hit the guy in the face and you are drunk.
Because
you're gonna be charged with assault. Listen.
Listen, you listen to me.
Okay, let's go outside.
I hit the guy in the face because he did not listen to me. Because he did not listen to me.
Nobody have to listen to you. You have to listen to.
Have you ever witnessed someone push their luck a little too far and watch everything explode in seconds? In today's video, we dive into the chaotic downfall of a Karen who turned a simple situation into a full-blown police incident. What starts as a night out can quickly turn into handcuffs, especially when alcohol meets attitude. On February 14, 2024, a woman's night at a bar took a violent turn after she was asked to leave for disruptive behavior. Instead of complying, the intoxicated patron responded by punching a bouncer in the face, leaving him with visible injuries.
You gotta go. She wouldn't talk.
What's going on with my friend? I know
she's been arrested.
Okay, so am I gonna have to go to the station to see?
You don't have to go nowhere. You don't have to do anything. She's gonna be arrested.
Okay. She hit someone, but I was not there when it happened, so I'm not sure what's going on right now.
She's gonna be arrested.
Okay.
That's what's going on.
I know. It all started because she lost a purse with all her shit in it, and she was trying to look for it. And I know she's drunk, and that's not an excuse for what she did. So I just want to make sure, so she's gonna go to the station right now.
No, she's gonna go to Sarasota jail.
Okay, and someone has to bail her out, correct?
Maybe tomorrow.
Does she have a middle name?
All I know is her name's Wendy. That's it. I just want to know what's going on with her because as her friend, I feel somewhat responsible for what's going on, and I want to make sure she's okay.
Okay.
So I just want to know what's going on with her right now. So she hit someone at the bar, I'm assuming, because I was not there. I was over here when that happened. So
she's intoxicated, and she came causing disturbance.
When police arrived, they found her in an agitated and combative state. Despite their efforts to calm her down, she continued to argue, shout, and claim she was being treated unfairly, insisting she had only been looking for her lost keys and was wrongly accused.
Please let me talk. You guys are just going to assume the words. You're never ever going to try to understand me, so it's okay. I'm going to sit right back there.
Do you want the fire department to look at your face?
Yes, I would
right
love.
Here. I
would love. Let me talk. Let me talk. I would love for you guys to look at my face after what you have done.
Then stop and let him look at your face.
It is your fault. It is your fault. I was just trying to look for some keys. I was just trying to look for some keys. Because you guys hit me in the face. You guys hit me in the face. You guys hit me in the face. One of you guys hit me in the face. I am normally calm, but one of you guys have hit me in the face. That's why I am calm. I am calm most of the time. I promise you. But one of you officers have hit me in the face. Just because you guys think you have the license to whatever, hit me or whatever. Just because you guys think it's okay to hit me in the face. I am just trying to look for some keys to go home. I haven't tried to look for some keys. Let me finish. I haven't tried to look for some keys since 11 p.m. just to get home, just to work a double tomorrow. Why? What are you gonna do? Take me to jail?
I'm gonna move. Yes.
Why? I haven't done anything.
I can't explain it to you.
I haven't done anything.
I can't explain it to you.
I haven't done anything.
I understand.
I've been trying. Don't touch me, please. I've just been trying to.
Her behavior didn't improve during the arrest. She refused to follow orders, accused officers of mistreatment, and demanded they hear her out.
The most I have done was to try to help people feel better, dude. I know it's wrong, but I have always wanted to make people feel better. Please don't touch me, dude. You're making me feel.
If you come down the car, I will have to touch you, but you don't want to do what I'm asking.
No, please, you guys haven't listened to me. No, please, you haven't listened to me.
Face the car.
You haven't listened to me.
I
haven't done any harm to anyone. I haven't done any harm to anyone. Why are you guys hurting me? Why are you guys hurting me?
Do you have anything sharp or poking in my stick?
No. Okay. All I have sharp is my ID, probably. Okay. I've just been looking to find my other friend's ID, dude. Okay. Please. I promise you, I mean no harm. I mean no harm. I did not get any ride from anyone where I've just been trying to find some ride. I just lost my ID in one of these bars. That's all. Why are you guys trying so hard?
Put it over here.
Why are you guys trying so hard? Just because I hit one of your pretty officers, is that so?
There is a paper bag.
Just because,
You didn't hit any of us.
just because I hit one of your pretty officers, that's all that bald motherfucker?
You didn't hit any of us.
Then why you guys be like this way towards me?
Trade.
Why you guys be this way towards me? I haven't done anything. I'm just trying
Face
to
the car and stop
Or
talking.
what?
Face the car.
Or what?
Or you're gonna be
Getting more
pinned against the
charges.
car.
Stop.
I'm just trying to
You're gonna be pinned against the car if you keep refusing to do what I'm being asked.
Shut the fuck up! Just listen to me. I have
listening.
not done any wrong. Are you fish or something? Can you not understand English? I have not done any wrong. I have just been trying
At
to
this
look.
point, you're arrested.
Shut the fuck up. Please let me
You're
talk.
going to jail.
Please let me talk.
what
Okay,
I-
you spoiled
I will
ass
do what
child. Okay, you spoiled ass child.
To jail. Come out of the car and walk with me to the jail.
Why, bro? Please, I could tell you were nice.
You hit the guy in the face and you are drunk.
Because
You're gonna be charged with
I
assault.
hit the guy-
Listen.
Listen, you listen to me.
Okay, let's
I
go
hit the guy
outside.
in the face because he
Let's
did
go
not listen to me. Because he did not listen to me.
Nobody
I'm
have to
being
listen
nice.
to you. You have to listen to people. It's
What?
private property. He's security guard. I'm not a police officer.
What,
I don't
are you
have
the
to listen
government?
to you.
Are you the government?
I'm
or what?
telling you.
You must think you're Joe Biden or what? Everyone must kiss you in the ass or what?
In the end, her defiance led to charges of battery and disorderly intoxication, capping off a Valentine's night she won't forget, and not for romantic reasons. The woman's actions resulted in charges under two key legal categories: battery and disorderly intoxication. In Florida, battery is defined under Chapter 784(3) of the Florida statutes and involves the unlawful physical contact or striking of another person. This statute covers any intentional touching or striking against another person's will or causing bodily harm. Conviction for battery can lead to severe penalties, including a misdemeanor of the first degree, which may result in up to 1 year in jail and a maximum fine of $1,000. In addition, the woman faced charges for disorderly intoxication as outlined in Chapter 856.011 of the Florida statutes. This offense pertains to behavior that disrupts public peace while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Disorderly intoxication is classified as a misdemeanor of the second degree, punishable by up to 60 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. The statute aims to address actions that threaten public safety or cause significant disturbances. All right, let's move on to this next case because, believe it or not, things are about to get even more complicated. On May 22, 2024, police officers in Hoboken responded to a two-vehicle collision. The driver found to be at fault a 57-year-old woman who had rear-ended another car. But what began as a typical traffic accident quickly turned into a potential DUI investigation. When Officer Huggins arrived at the scene, he immediately noticed signs suggesting the woman may have been intoxicated. Recognizing the need for a more in-depth assessment, he called in a DUI-certified officer to conduct further evaluation.
Hello, how are you? Good. What's going on?
I don't know. I'm just trying to go through the light and just kind of swipe the back.
Okay, it happened, of course, right here like this. So what happened? You were at the light here, and this vehicle hit you in the butt, in the rear? Okay. Hello, ma'am, are you okay?
No.
What's wrong? All right, give me a second. Can you cut the car off? MC4.
MC4, okay.
Anybody working field sobriety?
Right, so any sobriety field officer yet?
Oh, you can stay in the car for now. Stay in the car.
2 and 2, I am field sobriety.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
I stand by 282.
You have your license, registration, and insurance card?
108. Please swing over there and review 282. I'm at 221 Jackson. Just want to bring that car all over.
No, that's your health insurance card. Okay.
Right, Thursday night receipt.
You have registration and insurance? So I'm gonna ask you a question, ma'am. Have you had anything to drink today? You have? How long ago?
6 hours.
About 6 hours ago? What were you drinking, if you don't mind me asking?
Wine.
Wine? We're at home or at a bar? Where were you? Can one of you guys just grab, Miller, can one of you just grab her information so we can get her out of here? I gotta stay with this driver. Can you just grab the information here? You're not hurt, they're not hurt. An accident happened, okay?
While waiting for the specialist to arrive, the situation took another turn. The woman began showing signs of a medical issue, clutching her chest and struggling to breathe, symptoms that resembled a possible asthma attack. EMS personnel were called and arrived promptly, but the woman refused medical treatment despite her visible distress.
Is the insurance card in your glove compartment, ma'am?
Yes.
Are you able to get it out? You put everything on the seat already. Maybe it's on the seat?
34, make your way to Newark and Jackson. See the units there. On an MVA, you'll be checking one.
So being that you're holding your chest and you're having difficulty breathing, I had an ambulance come to check you out.
I have.
134.
What's wrong? You having difficulty breathing?
34.
I have. I don't need.
So being that you're holding your chest and you're having difficulty breathing, I had an ambulance come to check you out.
I have.
She has asthma.
Okay.
Can I check to see if there's an inhaler in here?
Sure.
I have asthma.
Lumps.
And I also
I might have one in my
The driver of this vehicle may be having an asthma attack. Give that to Miller. Just send it all to me. I'll take care of it. Thank you.
Mom, you have to keep breathing. You have to.
Santos, do we have medics rolling?
Get you a medic unit. 34, we're at over.
You guys never, ever.
140.
All right. Just let's get you some oxygen, okay?
14. Take right over to 15 and Bloomfield. Take 15 to Bloomfield. Attendants will be in the parking lot. Last parking. Clearly for the
Mel, just send that all to my phone, all right?
Everything.
Insurance card. You have the driver's information, the passenger's information,
Correct.
Insurance information, telephone numbers.
Yep.
Okay.
You want me to send them on their way? You want them to hang out?
They're good to go. Yeah. Give them the case number. They're good to go. Thank you so much.
Yeah, she's fine.
All right. Thank you guys. We're armed by action.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
all.
Thank you, gentlemen.
And then she won't talk to us at all.
Appreciate it.
So,
Thank you.
if anything-
All right, Jay.
If anything changes, call us back out.
I have her ID.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, I'm Officer Milne. I'm one of the DUI experts. I was wondering if you'd be willing to take a few tests with me to measure your level of intoxication.
No.
Okay, can you just step out of the car with me, please?
No.
Well, I'm going to need you, if we want to perform the test, we need you to step out of the car.
I am not.
Essentially, the tests are for me to judge your level of intoxication. You could pass the test and be considered safe to drive, if that's the case.
I'm not driving.
You're behind the wheel of a car, you got into a motor vehicle accident.
I have not done.
Ma'am, you were involved in a motor vehicle accident. It's concerning to me now that you don't recall that, as you're behind the wheel of a motor vehicle. My only job here is to try and determine your level of intoxication. There's 3 tests that need to be performed if you're willing to take those tests.
And I have not done the deal.
Okay, so I want you to understand that if you don't take the test, we're going to go strictly based on our current observations. You have slurred speech. You have difficulty on comprehending what we're saying to you. You don't recall being behind the wheel of the car at the time of the accident. Exactly, man, this is our point. You can't perform simple sentences. Your speech is slurred. You don't recall being behind the wheel at the time of the accident. Based on that,
What accident?
Okay, yeah, I think she's a 2-5. She's not going to perform the test. Everything is on camera. Okay? That's it. So, ma'am, please step out of the car. Can you please step out of the car, ma'am?
No.
All right, ma'am, I'm advising you now you're going to be placed under arrest. We're asking you to step out of the car, please. Okay?
Once the DUI-trained officer arrived, the woman was asked to undergo standardized field sobriety tests. However, she declined to participate. Given her apparent impairment and refusal to cooperate, officers had no choice but to place her under arrest for driving under the influence DUI. She was then transported to the Hoboken Police Headquarters for processing.
Take my hand and come out of the car.
Why?
You're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. It's very simple. I asked you to perform tests and you refused to take those tests. You cannot perform clear, coherent sentences. Your speech is slurred. You were behind the wheel of an accident, behind the wheel of the car at the time of the accident. You do not recall. So please, let me take your hand and just guide you out, please.
What? Why are you doing this?
Please.
Just
Why are you doing
We'll finish
this?
talking on the sidewalk.
Why?
Why? Christine, please.
No. Why are you doing this?
Man, we're not doing anything to you. We have a job to do.
Yes.
Please step out.
Yes, you do.
Okay, please.
Why are you doing this?
Can you step out of the car so we can have this
car.
conversation on the sidewalk?
Yes.
Very dangerous situation for myself and these officers. Can you please just... Do you need a hand?
We'll help you out so you don't fall, okay? Go ahead.
No, I don't want you to.
Okay,
Why are you doing this?
You can do it on your own power. Let's step out.
Why?
Please.
Why?
Man, we are now in oncoming
Why?
traffic. We need to go.
Why?
Please come with us.
Why?
Please.
Let's get the order.
Yeah. Wait, leave it open. We gotta check for Toxicants. All right, man.
Why?
Wait, chance, man.
Why?
Come over here. Come on.
Why?
Come here.
Thank you.
No problem.
But the resistance didn't stop there. At the station, she also refused to submit to an evidential breath test, a critical part of determining her blood alcohol concentration BAC. This refusal further complicated her legal standing and led to additional charges. In the end, she faced charges for operating a vehicle under the influence and refusing to submit to chemical testing. In legal terms, a DUI typically results from driving with a BAC above the legal limit, impairing the ability to drive safely. But refusing to take a breathalyzer or other chemical test doesn't help. It often makes the consequences worse, with added penalties and longer license suspensions. Under New Jersey law specifically, NJSA 39-450, operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs is a serious offense. Penalties for a DUI conviction can vary based on factors such as the driver's BAC level and whether it is a first or subsequent offense. Typically, penalties include fines, license suspension, and mandatory alcohol education programs. For a first offense with a BAC of 0.08% to 0.10%, the penalties may include a fine up to $400, a 3-month license suspension, and a possible jail term of up to 30 days. Refusing to submit to a chemical test under NJSA 39-450.4a results in additional penalties. New Jersey's implied consent law dictates that by driving on public roads, drivers consent to chemical testing if suspected of DUI. Refusal to take such tests can lead to a loss of driving privileges for up to 1-year fines and possibly an additional jail sentence. She thought she could outrun the consequences, but at 88 mph, her night took a sharp turn. On September 11, 2022, just before 3 a.m., deputies in Monroe Township, Ohio, spotted a 2007 Nissan Altima racing down I-75 at 88 miles per hour. The high-speed violation triggered a traffic stop near mile marker 76, where the driver, 19-year-old Misha, was pulled over.
How are you? This is Deputy over here. He's going to talk to you.
Does this window go down? Hello, Deputy Miami County Sheriff's Office. You know the reason why I stopped you today? Yeah, I was behind you. I had my crew set at like 88 and
yeah, I'm so sorry.
You were still kind of gaining on me. Where are you coming from?
Oh my god, I just came from the Yellow Rose. My friend was there. She was getting a ride.
Your friend was there at the Yellow Rose?
Yeah, she needed a ride and I went there, but her boyfriend came and picked her up.
Okay. You got your ID and proof of insurance by chance, please?
There you go, Ben.
At first, Misha appeared disoriented but claimed she'd just been to pick up a friend from the Yellow Rose bar and hadn't been drinking. However, deputies quickly noticed 3 open alcoholic drinks in the front passenger seat, one empty, one half gone, and another nearly finished. Eventually, Misha admitted the drinks were hers but insisted she hadn't consumed them recently.
But my mom just moved to Florida and her friend let me use her car until I got a car. I promise I have registration.
Yeah, that's a registration.
Oh, okay,
and then do you have insurance?
As far as I know, yes. Yeah,
you don't have to call your mom. Yeah, that's fine. Alright.
Is that drink there? What's that there? That
honestly, my stepmom.
That cocktail there. Are they finished? Can I see that?
Yeah, for sure. No, they're not finished.
What's that?
They're not finished.
Can I see one?
Yeah.
There's...
I just stopped by my dad's and my stepmom. She was in my car. I picked her up.
You haven't been drinking these?
No, I don't drink.
So they're not finished though. Do they still have some in them?
Her confusion didn't stop there. Misha struggled with questions about her registration and insurance, further raising suspicions. Deputies proceeded with field sobriety tests, including the HGN walk and turn and one-leg stand, but her performance was erratic.
Of course.
What's your name?
Meisha.
Meisha?
Yeah.
Okay. You were at the Yellow Rose. You said, let's step over here so that way we're following you. You said you were at the Yellow Rose?
Yes, sir.
And you didn't have nothing to drink there?
No.
What were you doing there?
Picking up my friend.
Not too long? You didn't have nothing to drink?
No.
Okay. Would you mind explaining why there's 3 open cocktail drinks in your passenger seat? One's empty, one's almost empty, and then the other one's about half. Best be honest with me. I mean, I look over and I see 3 cocktails or 9% alcohol. One's finished, one's got a little bit at the bottom, and then one's about half finished.
They're mine.
They're yours?
They're mine.
And have you been drinking them?
Some of them. Most of them I dumped out.
Dumped out. And then, when's the last time you think you probably had a drink of one?
About an hour and a half ago.
An hour and a half ago? Okay, is that the only thing you drank, or did you have something at the road?
I didn't have anything at the Rose.
Okay. All right. Well, like I said, it's 3 simple tests, and
procedures.
After one, like. You can stop. I'm going to have you place your hands behind your back for me, okay? I do believe that you've had too much to drink to be driving a motor vehicle, okay? So we're going to take you down to the station. You can blow in a portable breath tube, which will tell your alcohol level, and we'll go from there, okay?
A breathalyzer test revealed a BAC of 0.081%, over 4 times the legal limit for anyone under 21 in Ohio, where the limit is just 0.002%. She was immediately arrested for underage drinking and OVI-related charges.
Do you have, so what's next here? I'll explain it to you. I'm going to read this form to you.
Yeah, for sure.
You can either refuse, or you can do a portable BT, which is a breath test that you blow into this thing, and it shows you your alcohol BAC. Or if you refuse, then I'll just mark it as a refusal, and I'll charge you with an OVI. But if you are cooperative and whatnot, we'll take you down there. You'll do the breath test and whatnot, and then if you have to call someone to come pick you up, or we can give you a ride to a house. But that's
okay. That's okay. I thought I was going to jail. I'm not
no,
for that, and I am.
No, if you're, I mean, you're being pretty and whatnot. So we'll try.
This is my first rodeo.
I understand.
Do as you please. That's okay.
And then we'll either give you your phone so you can call someone to come pick you up, or if it's in the county and we don't have a call, I can maybe drop you off a house.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, that's cool. Sorry. Whew.
Yep. So just hang tight for me.
If it helps, like if you guys can't find my keys, if you guys turn off the car and like if it turns back on, my keys are somewhere in the
close.
car.
I did that, and it's still turning back on. So
I wouldn't even.
Yeah, but we don't want no one to come steal it, or we would like to lock it to ensure that nothing gets taken, and because it is parked off legally, so we don't have to have it towed. So you could get it tomorrow when you're sober.
Okay, yeah.
Okay? So give me 1 second. This could be suspended for 90 days. For one prior, it could be 1 year. So after me reading that, would you be willing to go down to the sheriff's office? And okay.
Whatever you guys need.
Alrighty. I just know it's required for me to read this to you. What's that?
Are you new?
I am. Yep, I worked in the jail there for 2.5 years.
Okay.
And then I went to the academy, and now I'm out here. So
keep it up.
Well, I appreciate it. Thank you. Give me 1 second.
Later, Misha pled guilty to a reduced charge of reckless operation. Her sentence included a $379 fine, 30 days in jail, 27 suspended mandatory attendance at a 3-day driver intervention program, and 4 points on her license. While she kept her driving privileges, she was warned that any further violations within 2 years would carry much steeper consequences. In Ohio, operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, particularly for those underage, is regulated by the Ohio Revised Code. Ohio Revised Code, paragraph 45.119, outlines offenses related to operating a vehicle under the influence OVI, specifying various BAC thresholds and corresponding penalties. For drivers under 21, the legal BAC limit is 0.02%, with violations leading to fines, imprisonment, and potential suspension of driving privileges. All right, fellas, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and educational contents in the future. Thanks for your support.